drive Mama and Daddy crazy.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
I know how to keyboard.
Hey, I'm recording right now. Say, hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom.
These are my presents. I'm going to open up for you. That way you can see.
I'm going to open up like you see.
All right. You ready?
Yes.
All right, go.
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know opening this, my toys. Hey, wait, where's the scissor?
No, look. Start here.
Look for the Dodger Dragons.
I know it's stuck over here.
Not yet.
And this dust, please. Hey, you got it already. I ain't.
Come on, what?
I need help.
You need help.
Yeah, this is not cutting. This big. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Huh? It's stuck with them.
Well, you got to take it off, bud. Okay.
Look. Hey,
What's that?
the switch of Batman.
All right, come on.
Where's the scissors?
Right here.
Oh, thanks.
Careful, they're really sharp.
Yes, they are.
I've never met a woman so excited.
You need some help?
Yeah, I was trying to help her.
No, him.
Oh,
Sweet.
All right.
Another.
I've already
Another.
looked at the computer at the library, and I had to wait
Another.
I had a
well
what?
over 2 months to get the book.
Yeah.
I got it and I read it and I went,
Yeah.
it was just kind of loopy.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Another.
so my aunt got me the same author,
Yeah.
the absolutely brand new book that they made the movie out of with Tom Cruise.
Oh, okay. Well, you're gonna have to tell me how it is.
Oh yeah, hopefully it's better than the other one.
Not every book.
Writers are like anybody else.
Yeah.
Painters, singers, musicians. They only got so much in them.
Let me see.
A lot of authors themselves, there's a computer program that follows formulas on how to write novels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all they do is
Hold.
put in specific words and the
Hold
computer
it.
writes the book.
Hold it up. Let me see.
You need a knife?
Hold it up. Let me see.
Oh.
Nope, it's the Joker's Playhouse, Imaginext 5 Play Imaginext episodes. Oh, this is a DVD.
Yeah.
All right, DVD. All right. Here.
That's switch.
Hold on, bud. We got to open up the other ones, too. We got to send it to Mama, too. Hold on. I pushed.